Hello guys, so now we're going to see about how to design and enhance the circular beam by using STAAD. So for that we will open our STAAD software. Now go to new project, click on space, give the name as circular beam. So click on next, click on finish. So here our STAAD software will be open. So then go to front view. So now we will go to our geometry, click on run structure wizard. So here go to frame models. So here we have circular beam. So if you see, so this is our circular beam. So if you want to edit this, so we can edit this type. So we will have a radius of 5 meters. So we can take about 10 meters or however we want. So along the periphery, how many divisions? So I'm going to take as 5 divisions. So it will become this polygon. So we'll take 10. So that will be better. So we have to transfer our model. Click on S and OK. So here we can see our circular beam has been opened. So and again go to front view, top view. So now we will add some beams. So this much long beams. So we will see how much it will to sustain or not. So go to here, click on this beams. So we are going to select these types of beams. Go to top view, click on this mesh. So we have the node point. So if you see this one, so here we're going to give this. We'll also provide a column here about say -5 link step. Okay. So we have provided these columns, and now we will add the supports. For this, go to this front view, click on create. So take this as fixed supports. All supports are selected. So click on support, and now we have to select all the nodes. So go to 3D. So click on assign, cont S. So now we will add the properties for this beam sections, and we will see. So now we will assign this, select this, and click on assign to selected beams, assign. So now select this one, go to select, click on save this model. So go to select beams parallel to Y. So deselect this one and click on assign to selected beams, assign and yes. So now assign this to the remaining properties, that is go to select missing property. So assign and yes. So we will see this in a 3D. So here we have our 3D structure for circular beam model. with a single support in the middle that is circular. So now again we will go to modeling. So go to general, give the material as concrete, assign and S. So the concrete has been assigned. So now we will go to loads and definition. So we will provide the loads. So here are not taking any slab elements, just we are assuming only beams and columns. So now select the dead load, give the name as dead load and OK. So again now we will select this dead load, click on add. Now go to self-aid, click on add, and now go to member force. So we will add the member force for this. So we have nodal loads, physical member loads, area loads, everything. So we will give this uniform force for our beams. So for that we have to calculate. For that go to calculator. So we have to see. So we are taking dimension as 0.35 by 0.35 into unit weight of component. So it is 25. So it is minus 3.0625 along gy direction. Click on add, and again we have columns. So that is 0.45 into 0.35 into 25. So that is 3.9375. 3.9375. Click on add, and now we will add the column, that is single column, that is 0.6 into 25, that is 15. We will take minus 15. Click on add and close. So click on self-weight, assign to view, assign and yes. So now we will add this. So this is for our beams. So we have to select our beams. Select beams parallel to X and select beams parallel to Z. We have nothing, so we have to individually select these beams, or you can go to top view and you can select. But here you can see which beams are selected or not. So I have selected all these beams. So we will add this, assign to selected beams, assign and S. So then again this is for the columns. So go to beams parallel to Y, deselect this center one and assign to selected beams, assign and S. So then after we will assign these to our this middle beam, middle column. So go to assign to selected beams, assign and S. So loads has been assigned. So after that we will go to analysis and print, click on add and close. No deflection. In the beams. So you can see the stresses. You have to select any beams. So here we can see the stress acting on our beam. So we are done with the modeling. So now we will design this part. So go to design, select concrete, select this IS456 and go to select parameters, deselect all this. So we will be selecting compressive strength, yield strength and shear reinforcement. So here you are going to take maximum and minimum reinforcement, click on OK. So define parameters, so here I am going to take 25 and Fy as 415. So Fy 415 we will convert. So Fy main, so maximum reinforcement is 20. I will take 25 and the maximum sectional is 16. on add and close. Now go to comments, click on design beam, add, design column, add. So we don't have any element, so we'll take off, add and close. So now go to this FC and we have to assign all these parameters to our structure. So click on assign and S. Click on FY, assign to view, assign and S. Again FY sectional, assign to view, assign and S. Maximum reinforcement, assign to view, assign and S. Design beams. So you have to select all the beams. Or else go to top view. You can select all these beams. Go to 3D. Click on assign to sector beams, assign and S. So assign design column, select beams parallel to Y. And select nodes S. So now we will enhance this structure. Go to analysis, add and close. Go to analysis, run analysis and save. So we are done with one error, so it is nothing but no problem. And deflection. So you can see the forces, the FY. So these are the forces on this. So go to animation, click on sectional displacement. So there is no sectional displacement and we will see about the deflection also. So there are no deflections in our beams. So our design is correct. So now we will go to this STAAD for output. So we will go to concrete design. So here we have the top reinforcement and the bottom reinforcement. And these are the shear reinforcement of two-legged stirrups at the rate 150 mm center to center spacing. So grade is M25. So every beam dimensions. So here you can see this beam. So go to modeling. So this is the beam number 31. So you can go to this. So 30. So here we can see the outputs. So this is how we can design a circular beam with having a one support at the middle with self weight, how it can sustain. So thank you friends. So this is how we can design a circular beam or whichever beam we can design in STAAD Pro. Thank you.